Hello everyone, welcome to Minute Coding with Miguel Parada. Today we're going over on how to declare variables in JavaScript. Now the first thing we'll do here is just get our Windows configuration up. We're just dragging our windows here to make things easier. This is how future videos will be done. That way we open up like this always. Now what we'll do here, right, in order to declare a variable with a name in it, we have to use quotation marks. So we set name equals quotation mark, whatever you want to call it. Now digits, right, numbers, you'll have to use, you need to use quotation marks for number. Now what I'm doing here is, I'm saying to JavaScript, I want you to print out the variable name, which was Miguel, and tell me what type it is. When I refresh it, you see Miguel's a string, meaning a letters, and then 8 is a number. But that's all for today. Thank you for watching.